Hello, old friend. Had a good time, did you?
You going to get me out of here?
I ain't decided yet.
Real funny.
Oh, I ain't joking, cowpoke. I heard so much bluster out of your mouth these last 6 months, and now I got an opportunity to watch you be silenced.
Well, you gotta do something.
Why?
I always looked up to you, Arthur.
Well, that's your first mistake. Hey there.
Mister?
Thank you for keeping us all safe, sir. I really appreciate your service.
Goodbye.
They'll give anyone a badge these days, won't they?
You're gonna wish you killed me! Christ on the cross!
This won't end well for you.
Ta-da!